Hello student, in today's practical we are discussing about the practical number 12. Install firewall on any operating system and configure firewall setting on any operating system. That means installation करना है आपको firewall का और उसको configure करना है on any operating system. After completion of this practical, students will able to understand how to install the firewall on any operating system and configure firewall setting on any operating system. Prerequisite is relevant program outcome, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, the engineers and society, environmental sustainability, ethics, individual and teamwork, communication and lifelong learning. This is the competency and practical skills. So यहाँ पे हम क्या सीखने वाले हैं? How to install and configure firewall on any operating system, and practical outcome is analyze and apply measures to prevent the attacks on network using firewall. Introduction. So basically हम firewall के बारे में already discuss कर चुके हैं. Okay, so firewall means what? It's a mediator between your internal private network and the internet. So this wall in this diagram indicates the firewall. This protects your network from the unwanted traffic. Okay, so इसी firewall को हमको सेटअप करना है और उसको कॉन्फ़िगर करना है. So basically firewall दो टाइप के होते हैं, हार्डवेयर और द सॉफ्टवेयर, और इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर्स. Okay, so basically operating system provide a feature security, and under security firewall works. So through the control panel you can see the firewall setting. So through the control panel you can enable your firewall on for your computer system individually. So basic security जो है यहाँ पे हमारे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हमको प्रोवाइड कर रही है, और उस सिक्योरिटी का पार्ट जो है एक फायरवॉल भी रहेगा. So you can enable and disable your firewall through the control panel. That means you can enable or disable the security of your computer system by enabling and disabling the firewall in your computer system. So how to write the practical? So already we are discussed about that, and these are the references. These are the practical related questions. Describe the firewall and state the installation configuration steps of firewall. Summary of learning हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया अबाउट द फायरवॉल इंस्टॉलेशन एंड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. लिंक्स यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड की गई आपको. सो क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक एंड अंडरस्टैंड इन डिटेल हाउ टू कॉन्फ़िगर एंड install the firewall. In the next lecture we will discuss the practical number 13 to practical number 16. Thank you.